You won't believe it, but now we know for sure, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has once again revealed a view of the universe's past. So far, the telescope has illuminated some of the oldest galaxies ever discovered. These findings, compiled by the brilliant minds behind the JADES project, James Webb, Advanced Extragalactic Deep Survey, are nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine looking back at the beginning of the world, when the world was only a few 100 million years old. Now visible and clearly visible, these ancient galaxies challenge our fundamental understanding of the origin and evolution of the universe. The discovery of these ancient galaxies raises important questions about the formation of our universe. Is there dark matter, the dreaded substance thought to make up most of the world's mass? Have we made a mistake in our understanding of the planet? The JADES team has identified 5 galaxies with redshift, Z, values between 11 and 14, suggesting that something important may be missing in our planetary models. These galaxies, which existed when the universe emerged from its dark ages, hold the answers to some of the universe's deepest mysteries. The JADES project, a collaborative effort involving leading scientists from agencies such as NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, has been able to study the first and most distant galaxy. In the past, scientists with the powerful JWST instrument have created the conditions of the universe shortly after the Big Bang. This knowledge is not just knowledge. It is necessary to understand the true nature of the world, and therefore the secrets of its own creation. When JWST was launched, scientists eagerly awaited the first images. They expected to see the universe shortly after the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago. JWST, with a range of more than 13.5 billion light-years, promised to deliver. The researchers identified images of young, amorphous galaxies and the first stars, unspeakably bright and short-lived heroes. However, the reality that JWST revealed is very complex and surprising. Contrary to expectations, the JWST images did not show the first large constellations and giant stars that scientists had predicted. Instead, they showed galaxies to be very complex even in the early universe. The discovery suggests that the first stars and galaxies look different than they did before. It seems that the universe may be older and more complex than we thought. Reionization spectral analysis, the sun that made the universe light. One of the most fascinating aspects of the JADES observations is the understanding of the reionization phase, the time when the first stars and galaxies formed. Think of it as opaque to the world's light as a dark, cloudy soup, and then something suddenly changes. When a new chemical and physical reaction begins, the neutral hydrogen turns into ionized hydrogen. This period, called the day the world became bright, is important to our understanding of the evolution of the world. Through a detailed analysis of the chemical composition and star formation process of the galaxies detected by JADES, scientists can piece together these evolutionary processes more than ever before. Among the galaxies discovered by the JADES project, JADES GS Z14 is one of the most spectacular. At a redshift of 14.32, this galaxy existed only 300 million years after the Big Bang. Its existence challenges our current cosmological models, suggesting that such galaxies did not form early in the universe's history. Galaxies like JADES GS Z14, with their complex structures, take longer than the universe to form, suggesting that our understanding of galaxy formation is incomplete or that the universe is older. More than we think. Another galaxy, JADES GS Z13, has given us new insight into the mysterious force known as dark energy. Dark energy is said to be responsible for the universe's acceleration, but its exact nature is one of the greatest mysteries of physics. JWST observations of JADES GS Z13 indicate that dark energy plays a more complex role in the evolution of the universe than previously thought. This discovery could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and may reveal new aspects of physics and natural forces that have not yet been understood. Seeing JADES GS Z12 is a complicated picture. This galaxy, like other galaxies identified by the JADES project, shows signs of active star formation. However, its complex structure and size indicate that its evolution was longer than expected for a galaxy formed during reionization. This raises the possibility that reionization, a process thought to occur during the formation of the first stars and galaxies, may not exist as we currently understand it. If the first stars and galaxies in the universe appeared long ago, then our models of cosmic evolution are seriously flawed. One of the most important aspects of JADES' findings is what they think about dark matter. Dark matter is said to be the invisible shell that holds galaxies together and provides the gravitational force they need to form. However, the existence of these distant and complex galaxies raises questions about whether dark matter as we think of it might actually exist. If there is nothing dark or strange about current thinking, we need to rewrite the laws of physics as we know them. Finally, JADES, GS-Z11, with its redshift of 11, is a glimpse into the future history of the universe, but it's still not impressive. This galaxy, along with its older counterparts, is forcing scientists to reconsider the distribution of matter in the universe. The JWST's observations suggest that the universe's early years were far more chaotic and complex than previously thought, with large, bright galaxies forming much earlier than our models predict. The discoveries made by the JADES program and the James Webb Space Telescope are not just incremental steps forward, they represent a seismic shift in our understanding of the universe. These ancient galaxies are challenging the very foundations of cosmology, raising questions about dark matter, dark energy, and the origins of the universe itself. As scientists continue to analyze the data from these discoveries, we may be on the brink of a new era in cosmology, one that could reshape our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The JADES discoveries suggest that galaxy formation may have occurred much faster and more efficiently than our current models can account for. This revelation poses a significant challenge to the standard cosmological timeline, which holds that the first galaxies were slow to form, gradually assembling from smaller structures over hundreds of millions of years. The existence of these well-developed galaxies, mere hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang, indicates that the universe was more conducive to rapid star and galaxy formation than previously thought. This could mean that the conditions in the early universe were far more volatile and fertile for growth, hinting at a chaotic period where the building blocks of matter came together under extreme forces and pressures, leading to the early emergence of complex structures. Scientists are now rethinking the processes that drove early galaxy formation, exploring new theories that could explain these anomalies and potentially lead to a revised understanding of the universe's infancy. As the JADES program continues, the JWST is poised to push the boundaries of our cosmic knowledge even further. Researchers are already planning deeper observations, aiming to uncover galaxies that may be even older and more distant than those already discovered. These future studies could reveal the true nature of the universe's first stars, the primordial black holes that may have seeded galaxy formation, and the enigmatic dark matter that remains one of the greatest mysteries in astrophysics. With each new discovery, the JWST and the JADES team are not only filling in the gaps of our cosmic history but also opening new doors to questions that we never even knew to ask. As we stand on the precipice of these extraordinary findings, the excitement within the scientific community is palpable, knowing that what we discover next could fundamentally alter our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. So, take the most powerful telescope ever built and be guided by the geniuses of the JADES project as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. The world's secrets are waiting to be uncovered, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface.